In last lecture, we see that signal to noise ratio in the communication system. In this lecture, we will see noise figure. What is a noise figure? The measurement of noise figure and formula for the noise figure. Noise figure is a measure of the degradation of an of signal to noise ratio, and it can be used in association with the radio receiver sensitivity. Noise figure is a number by which the noise performance of an amplifier or a radio receiver can be specified. The lower the value of the noise figure, the better the performance. Lower the value of noise figure and abbreviated as NF, better the performance. Essentially, the noise figure defines the amount of noise and eliminates add to the overall system. It may be a preamplifier, mixer, or a complete receiver. Often the noise figure may be used to define the performance of a receiver, and in this way it can be used instead of signal to noise ratio. To express the quality of the receiver more properly, noise quality of the receiver noise figure is used. Express the quality of the receiver more properly, noise quality of the receiver noise figure is used. Noise figure is the ratio of S by N power at the input to the S by N power at the output. It is denoted by F is equal to S by N input divided S by N output. The input and output may be for entire receiver or a signal amplifier stage. Noise figure F is also called as the noise factor. Noise figure is a number, usually it is also expressed in decibel. An amplifier or receiver will always have more noise at the output than at the input. This is due to the fact that amplifier or receiver generates internal noise and along with the signal noise also gets amplified. The S by N ratio at the output will be less than S by N ratio of the input. Therefore, noise figure will always be greater than 1. Ideal receiver contributes zero noise to the signal, so ideal receiver have a noise figure of 1 or 0 dB. Such noise figure cannot be obtained in a practice. Lower the noise figure, better the amplifier or receiver. A transistor amplifiers in a communication receivers usually have noise figure of several decibel. So, may I repeating again, the noise factor can be derived simply by taking the signal to noise ratio at the input and dividing it by the signal to noise ratio at the output. That means S by N input divided by S by N output. As the signal to noise ratio at the output will always be worse, that is lower, this means that the noise factor is always greater than 1. The noise factor is rarely seen in specification. And next one is that noise figure. Noise figure is the parameter that is seen widely in specification and is in use when defining radio receivers and the elements within the receiver system. The noise figure uses a logarithmic scale and is simply the noise factors expressed in decibel. That means this noise figure element defining radio receiver element Thank you.